Jamaican ghost stories that will keep you up at night. A little boy named Ifadi. Full story. A little boy stayed with his granny in Portmore, Jamaica, when his parents went to England to seek a better life for him and his brothers. His name is Ifadi. Ifadi wasn't such a normal little boy. He was not like the others at all. He had the gift of sight, meaning that he could see things normal little kids couldn't. His granny was always the one witnessing his abilities, because she was the one who he went to for clarity. Plus she's a Christian, so she knew how to identify what they were and pray them away. One day, Ifadi, his uncle, and a friend from next door were playing in the yard. They were out there for a while, but after a while, Ifadi left their company and went inside the house for a glass of water. His granny was standing in the kitchen doing her chores, when Ifadi just randomly said to himself out loud, "Who the little boy do we play with we? Where him come from?"
Follow Jamaican true stories.
And granny look outside to see who him a talk about, but all she could see was his uncle, who is her son, and the little boy from next door who is always coming over to play with them. There was no other child there. Ifadi seemed to be very puzzled by the origins of the little boy, but he drank the water and went back outside to play. His granny didn't take it serious. She just went about her day, but every now and then it would cross her mind. Who did Ifadi see that day playing with them?
Like and share for more.